Hi all, today I will tell you how can you make such kind of dot painting at home. It's very easy to make. In order to make our dot painting, all we need is a canvas. Here I am using a 12 by 12 inches canvas. After this we need some acrylic paints like these, and I have mentioned the link in the description box. Next we need such kind of tips. This is the tip 1, this is the tip 2. The tip 1 is little fine, but the tip 2 it's little thick. The tip 3 the front part of the crayon, tip 4 the back part of the crayon, and finally I got two stubs like these, tip 5 and tip 6. We also need a pencil, eraser, paintbrush and an inches scale. Finally we need round circular things like these to make our design. Otherwise you can also make use of a compass. So let's begin to make our dot painting, friends. Here I have made 7 circles and we have divided our full circles, all the circles, into 4 equal segments, and then further each segment is being divided into 4 equal portions. The diameter of the first circle is about 1 inch and the distance between the first and the second circle is about 0.25 inch, and the distance between the second to third circle is of 0.5 inch, and third to fourth circle is also 0.5 inch and 0.5 inch, 0.5 inch, but the last circle, the distance between the second last and the last circle is about 0.75 inches. I am going to paint my inner first circle into the orange color. My first circle is finished. Now I am going to use my this very fine tip 1 to make the yellow dots on this first circle. Now I am going to use my second tip to make the yellow dots in second circle. Now with the same tip, I am going to use the blue color in between these yellow dots. Now I am going to follow the same pattern on the second circle. And this is going to complete my second circle. And I am using my tip 3 to make the green dots. Now in my third circle I am going to apply 2 yellow dots on these lines. And I am also encircle my green dot, every green dot with yellow dots around with the second pen tip. So in this way the yellow pattern will be followed on these lines. Now my third circle is being finished, and I am going to color my 4th, 5th and 6th circle with the same tip, the other side of the crayon. I am going to insert one orange dot in between these two green dots, and on this line it should touch on this line like this. Now I am using my tip 2 to make the little orange dots around the big orange dots. After this, every time I am going to use the tip 2 to make the little dots around the big dots of any color. Now I am going to apply some brown dots in the next circle, and it's going to touch the line, and these brown dots going to appear in between the two orange dots. Now I am going to apply some little brown dots around the big brown dots. In this way I am going to finish all my brown dots. Now I am going to finish with all my big red dots, and after that I am going to apply some little dots around it. Like this, I am going to complete my full red circle with the red little dots. Now I am going to apply the green dots in between these red dots. I am using my tip 5 to make the green dots. Around these green dots, I am also going to apply the little green dots like this with this tip. This way I am going to complete my full green dot. And finally I am going to use my big blue dots with this thick tip. I'm taking little blue paint so that they can get finished. In this way I am going to finish my full blue dots. Now I am applying some yellow dots with the tip 2 in between the brown and the big green dots. In this way I am going to finish all my yellow dots. This tip I am going to put some yellow dots in between these red dots like this. Now with the help of my pencil I am going to take two blue dots and make some design like this. Now with the help of this tip, I am going to apply some pink dots on either side of the yellow dots on this, in between these green dots. And then I am going to finish with all my pink dots. As you can see, my full flower design is being completed. Now I am going to, with the help of this tip, I am going to put some orange color in between these blue dots like this. I am done with my orange big dots, and I am going to put all these orange dots on all the petals behind these big orange dots. Now I am going to completely finish it by putting the yellow dots behind these green dots, and also I am going to put some brown dots behind, in between these two orange dots with this tip. So after that I am going to erase all the pencil marks with the help of an eraser, and then my painting would be completely finished. Finally, this is the way how my painting gonna look like. Thanks for watching, friends. Please subscribe.